This does not feel like the weather we should be having in the middle of April.
No, not at all, but we'll take it.
Well, we knew some cooler temperatures were going to come along, and the National Weather Service has issued a frost advisory for our far northern counties. Does not include us. Don't drip your pipes. Don't worry about that. Your vegetation will be fine. That's a concern also for our golfing fans. If you've got round 2 tickets for tomorrow, you're going to want to see this forecast, which starts chilly first thing in the morning. For the RBC Heritage presented by Boeing, 48 degrees. Now, that's not so bad, but notice the northeast wind 10 to 20. That'll be coming across the island, so it'll be buffered just a little bit, only up to 66 in the afternoon. Northeast winds at 10 to 15. Don't forget your sunscreen. Being out there for just a couple of hours will really burn you up fast. UV index is very high. Here's the other thing we're watching tonight. Severe storms in the center of the country. This is Kansas, Nebraska, up into South Dakota. The yellow boxes, of course, are severe thunderstorm watches. None of that's headed our way. We're in good shape tonight. But as that storm continues to grow and then weaken in the central part of the country, eventually it will impact us. Here's where the Storm Prediction Center is thinking tomorrow's severe weather will be. Pretty much right where it is now. And look what happens. You rarely get the red this early, 2 days in advance. But this is Saturday's forecast for an outbreak of severe thunderstorms and possibly tornadoes. That could be a real problem. So we may see some destruction there. But like McCook, Nebraska today saw an EF1 tornado and lots of hail reports right through the center of the country coming right off the high plains. Those clouds from those storms are trying to blow into this direction, and we might even get some early clouds first thing tomorrow. That's why I have mostly sunny in the forecast. Don't expect any precipitation. 69 and 45 were the extremes. The record 35, so we were 10 degrees away from the record. Still 2.5 inches below normal. 53, 55 back in Atlanta. Check the 40s across the area. Yep, that's a 41 at Port Wentworth, Georgetown at 41, Skidaway at 48. Tybee will be at 50 for an overnight low, 49 at Sea Pines, Beaufort at 44. How about Hardyville? 41 for overnight lows. Let's bring you back to Savannah real quickly as we watch this area of high pressure. It will drift right over us. That's our coolness for the night. Then as it gets farther to our east, we get on the return flow, and that's when we start to warm up a bit. So, coolest night is tonight. Savannah's low 41 with light winds. Then getting warmer tomorrow. Sunshine up to 73. East breeze, so it will be cooler on the islands. 49 tomorrow night. 77 Saturday sunshine. 82 sunshine on Sunday. What a great weekend. And dry until that rain chance comes along on Wednesday. Temperatures back in the 80s. Overnight lows in the 60s. So a chilly night tonight. 41. 73 and sunshine tomorrow. And so many fun things to do this weekend. I don't know where to start. So we'll start with the Red Shoes Run right at the top of the list. Anytime you need any information, you can always go to our website at WTOC.com. Have a great day tomorrow. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather.
Thanks, John.